Hey guys, it's Promise Base here again. Quickly, do you still remember those songs that will keep you on the fifth progression a bit longer than the rest? Songs like stand probably up to like 2 bars. So, how do you make good use of those moments? Is what I want to teach you now. So, grab your bass guitar and let's go. And don't forget, it is just a tutorial, so it's going to be very busy. You can't be that busy on stage. All right, let's go. Okay, let me break it down. Now, our focus is on the fifth progression, which is the Fa. So we are on the key D. Our progressions like this, where you have to stay for like 2 bars, can explore those progressions, but not as busy as what I played. So the first thing I played was Day and New Every. Let me break it down. So on key D, I played Fa, Sol, Mi, Re, Di, Do, La, Si, So, Re, Fa, Do, Mi. Slower. Fa, Sol, Mi, Re, Di, Do, La, Si, So, Re, Fa, Do, Mi. Slower now. Good. So they are new every great is every. This is also good. So ti do ti so mi la ti do. So on this note, I decided to work on the flat seventh, which is. So let me teach you the way I think as a bassist. So I read minor notes like major notes. It's simple. The flat seventh, which is your toe, what I played, I just decided to take this as my do. Now I'm now on key C. So what I played there was simple. I just played so do re mi, 2 octave, and decided to take it back. So please join my tutorial classes. It's not so expensive. It will help you think very, very, very mature as a bassist is supposed to think. So if you look at it from key C to be so do re mi, so la so. So from there you just relate it back. Of course, we can't spell every note. So the one that is a bit more difficult than them all is this one. So let me break it down slowly. After you play, so what you play there is mi, fa, la, do, re, but you will hammer it. So sol, la, do, mi, fa, la, do, re, fa, sol, sol, la, do. Are you there? Together is Then the last one I played was an arpeggio. Just relate it back. So simple, your flat 7, like I said, take it as your do. So we have Ti do mi sa, and that's all. So if you slow it down, you have Re mi re do ti la so fa mi on C. But don't forget we are on key D. Don't be confused. It's not for beginners. You get the concept. So I think that may pretty much help an advanced bass player make good use of those moments in your bass playing. If this was helpful, I know it might be helpful to some people. Please click the subscribe button. Click it. Share this video and please comment. I love this video. Let me apologize for the tutorial that was supposed to happen some weeks ago. We had serious power outage and we'll come back with that tutorial next week. If you are interested, please put I'm interested in the comments section. God bless you. Bye for now.